Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. I've been to some charity shops in a part of Bristol that I don't go to very often, and the prices in these charity shops tend to be 2 or 3 or 4 times what I would normally pay for the same sort of items. But I did find a few items in my price range. Before I show them to you, I'll do a little slideshow of some of the items that caught my eye but I didn't buy because I just felt they were too expensive for what they are in a charity shop. I mean, obviously, charity shop, part of the idea is that you're actually donating money to the charity, so you could just throw money in there and not buy anything, but that's not quite the way I approach it. I expect the stuff to be cheap. I quite often expect it to be broken or damaged, so I don't mind if it's very cheap. Anyway, so slideshow of the items that I didn't buy, and then now I will show you what I did buy. So, what's in the bag, Grandad? Three things. Does that tell us very much? Not really. Top Trumps, top 30 Emotis. Okay, well, my grandsons like playing top trumps, so I thought I'd pick that up, see if they like it. Tend to leave them in the back of the car so that when we're transporting them somewhere they can find them and they can play them. So, yeah. Next, another jigsaw, or in fact a twin pack, 2 54-piece jigsaws. Branded easyJet. I've never been on an easyJet. I assume they must sell these to keep you occupied when you're on a long flight. So 2 jigsaws, the London Eye and the Eiffel Tower. Cost me £1. A little bit crushed. Okay. Don't know if they're both there. Well, there'll be one way to find out, won't there? Give them a try. At some time. But the most important thing to me was this. It's not a Playmobil one. I take that back. It is a Playmobil one. Oh gosh, that's even better. Can we see that label? Playmobil 1978. Gosh. Well, that'll be a bit of a shame because I want to convert it to radio control. That's an old beauty, that is. Now, the shop that I bought that in, and I can't remember the name, Tenebus I think it might be. Or was it? No, I can't remember. I'll just have a look at my wallet, see if I've got the receipt. Oh yeah, there we are, Tenebus. It was Tenebus. 99p. Now, I'd seen it in there before, and I'm sure it had more bits. I think some of the bits have gone missing in the charity shop. It was previously priced at £2.50. and they'd reduced it to 99p, and I thought 99p, I'll have it. So say, I think lots of the bits have gone missing. For a start, it's only got one mast. So where does that go? Is that even part of it? Could that go in there perhaps? Don't know. That looks suspiciously like it might be nothing to do with it. That certainly goes on there, and that certainly goes on there. And that probably goes in there first, perhaps. Yeah, that goes in there, so nah, that won't go there, does it? That's nothing to do with it. So we're missing quite a few bits, but I think that would make a nice radio control conversion, and for 99p I definitely was not going to leave that in the shop. That's a little beauty, isn't it? Yeah, no idea what that's come from. So unless it was, I don't think it was in there. So we're missing a mast, we're missing all the rigging, all that sort of thing. But at that price, worth having. So pleased with that. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.